Today we'll solve time and work questions, solved examples. Please read the question carefully. So, Roger takes 8 days to complete the work. Anthony takes 5. So in one day, Roger completes 1/8 of the work and Anthony completes 1/5. So in one day, both of them complete 13/40 of the work. So it will take them 40/13 days to do it. So that is 3 1/13. Yeah. Next question. So same thing. A and B together, they do 1/15 of the work, and B alone does 1/28 of the work. So if you subtract this, you'll get how much work A does in one day. That will be 1/60. So it will take 60 days for A to complete the work. Okay. So A does 300 worth of work in 6 days. Speed is 1/6. And B plus A do that in 4 days. The speed is 1/4. The speed of the assistants, B, the assistant, will be 1/4 minus 1/6. That will be 1/12. So it will take B 12 days to do the work. That aside, speed of A is 1/6. Speed of B is half of that. So if we take this as x, it will be 2x. That means 3x equals 300. X equals 100. So I did 3x. That's because I added all with their speed, and that will be equal to 300. So we'll divide the money proportionally according to their speeds. So the assistant will get 100 rupees and the boss will get 200. Yeah. So what they did here was, they took the ratio of their speed, that is the amount of work they do in one day, and that came out to be 2/1. So assistant will be 1/3 into 300. Next question. It's a simple one. Sum of the speeds, total work is 1. Yeah. So A will be 1/6, B will be 1/8, and C will be 1 by 3 minus these two. So that will be 1 by 24. So this ratio of their speeds will be 1 by 6 is to 1 by 8 is to 1 by 24. That will be 4 is to 3 is to 1. And total money is 600. So that will be 4 by 8 times 600. That will be 300. And this one will be 1 by 8 times 600. That will be 75, 300 and 225. ABC. Yeah, that's it. Next question. Okay, so A does a work in 63 hours. B does a work in 42 hours. So in 1 hour they do this much work each. So both of them together they do this much work. And if we multiply it by 8 1 by 2, which will be 8 2 by 5, that will be 42 by 5. So this is how much work both of them do in one day, and we have to find out how many days will they take to do the work. So it will be inverse of this. 1 by 42 by 315 plus 1 by 5. So this will be 63, of course, and 63 plus 42 is equal to 105. That will be 315 by 105. It's 3 days. Yeah, so we got it correct. Next one. Okay, so let's assume the time taken by Rahul to complete the work is x. So time taken by Maurice will be x by 2. And time taken by Sachin will be x by 3. So the speeds will be 1 by x, 2 by x, 3 by x. This is of Maurice, Sachin, Rahul. Now if you add all three of them, it will be 6 by x, and if you take the inverse of it, like that will be the combined speed, 6 by x. Take the inverse, that will be x by 6, and this is the amount of time they take to complete the work together, 1 by speed. And that, according to the question, is 4 days, and we have to find the individual time to complete the work. X by 6 equals 4, x equals 24, and here x is the time taken by Rahul to do the work. time taken by Rahul to do the work 24. Time taken by Morris is of course x by 2, 12, and this will be x by 3, 8. 24, 8, 12. Rahul, Morris, Sachin. Eight. No, my bad. 8. And my bad. I was looking at the solution of the wrong question. Yeah, this will be 24, 12, and 8 hours, not days. Now, question number 8. A and B can do a piece of work in 9 days, BC in 12, AC in 18. How many days ABC finish it working together and separately? So AB 9, BC 12, AC 18. So how many days will they complete the work? Okay, so assume the speed of the time taken by ABC to be x, y and z respectively. So 1 by x plus 1 by y equals to 1 by 9. No, sorry, my bad, it's 9. Because no, wait. Yeah, it's 1 by 9. So 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 1 by 12, 1 by x plus 1 by z is to 1 by 18. So if we add all three, it will be 2 times x, 1 by x plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by z. So 1 by x plus dot 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 1 by z equals, if we add all three of them, it will be 9 by 36 times 1 by 2, because it will be twice of this, so we take this side. So it will be 1 by 8. So all three of them take 8 days to complete the work, because this was the speed, right? We take the inverse of it, divide 1 by all of this. So, and this is equal to 1 by 8, so it will take 8 days to complete the work, all three of them. So since 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equal to 1 by 8, 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by z, right? So, or we can do it this way, 1 by x, all three of them is equal to 1 by 8. So we subtract this from this, we get 1 by z equals 1 by 9 minus 1 by 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9. So z will be 172. Z will take 72 days. Z will take 72 days, and if we subtract this now from equation 2, we get x. So 1 by x equals 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12. Now this will be equal to 2 by 48. That means x will take 24 days. Now for y, we do 1 by 8 minus 1 by 18. Now this will be equal to 10 by 144. That will be, so the number of days will be 14.4 days, or 14 4 by 10, or 14 2 by 5 days. So the total, like in total, they all of them they complete together in 8 days. Z does it in 72 days. Z as in C does it in 72 days, and Y does it, B does it in 14 2 by 5 days, and A does it in 24 days. Yeah, all of them in 8 days, A alone in 24 days, B alone in 14 2 by 5 days, C alone in 72 days. Next question. A is alone twice as good as B. Together they finish a piece of memory. Okay, so A is twice as good as B, and together they complete a piece. Okay, so B, let's assume B takes x days to complete. Speed is 1 by x of B, and since A is twice as good as B, the speed of A will be 2 by x, and adding both of them 3 by x is the total speed of both of them. Take the inverse. X by 3 equals to 18. So x equal to 54. Now the speed of the speed of A is 2 by x, so 2 by 54, that's 1 by 27, and A alone will take 27 days to complete the work. Then now next question is, a certain man does it 12 days, B is 60% more efficient than A. And okay, so here's the concept. Whenever it says someone is more efficient or someone is twice as better as the other, it means that their speed of doing the work is twice as good. For example, if I do a work in 5 days, my speed is 1 upon 5, which means in 1 day I do 1 by 5th of the work. And if someone is twice more efficient than me, like 200%, then it will be 2 upon 5 his rate of doing work. He will complete the work in 2.5 days. 100% more efficient, that is like 200% as a whole. So okay, so speed of A is 1 upon 12, and since B is 60% more efficient than A, it means his speed will be 60% more, so his speed will be 160 by 100 into this, which will be equal to 8 by 5 times 1 by 12. That will be 2 by 15. So B will complete it in 7.5 days. Done.